Verse 27. Then the soldiers of the governor took Jesus into the praetorium and gathered the whole garrison around him. And they stripped him and put a scarlet robe on him. When they had twisted the crown of thorns, they put it on his head and a reed in his right hand, and they bowed the knee before him and mocked him, saying, "Hail, King of the Jews!" Then they spat on him and took the reed and struck him on the head. And when they had mocked him, they took the robe off him, put his own clothes on him, and led him away to be crucified. Now, as they came out, they found a man of Cyrene, Simon by name. Him they compelled to bear his cross. And when they had come to a place called Golgotha, that is to say, place of a skull, they gave him sour wine mingled with gall to drink. But when he had tasted it, he would not drink. Then they crucified him and divided his garment, casting lots, that it might be fulfilled, which was spoken by the prophet. They divided my garment among them, and for my clothing they cast lots. Sitting down, they kept watch over him there, and they put up over his head the accusation written against him, "This is Jesus, the King of the Jews." Then 2 robbers were crucified with him, one on the right and another on the left. And those who passed by blasphemed him, wagging their heads, and saying, "You who destroyed the temple and built it in 3 days, save yourself. If you are the Son of God, come down from the cross." Likewise, the chief priests, also mocking with the scribes and elders, said, "He saved others, himself he cannot save. If he is the King of Israel, let him come down from the cross, and we will believe him. He trusted in God, let him deliver him now, if he will have him, for he said, 'I am the Son of God.'" Even the robbers were crucified with him, reviled him with the same thing. So nabasa natin ang naranasan ng ating Panginoon Jesus. Ang katawan niya ay tulad din sa ating katawan. Wala pang tulog sa buong paglitis sa kanya, galing sa Gethsemane hanggang pinahirapan siya ng mga sundalo, hanggang pinako siya sa krus. Mga tao sa paligid ng krus, sinasabi paano sila maniwala na siya ay makapangyarihan at anak ng Diyos, napako na siya. Nakita nila ang kanyang kahinaan, kaya naisip nila peke itong taong ito. Tandaan natin, kakatapos lang ng celebration ng Passover na naalala ng mga Israelita ang paglaya ng kanilang mga ninuno mula sa pagkaalipin sa Ehipto. Na ang anghel na sa utos ng Diyos ay pinatay ang mga firstborn sa mga tahanan sa Ehipto na hindi nalagyan ng dugo ng tupa sa hamba ng pinto. Na sa Israelita ay naligtas dahil sa nagawa nila na may pananampalataya. Sana nakita ito ng mga Israelita na si Jesus ang Passover. Ay nang siya ay nasa krus, sana pinagkatiwalaan nila, pero hindi nangyari ito. Sabi nga sa 1 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 17b, "For indeed Christ our Passover was sacrificed for us." Tandaan natin, dahil sa ating mga kasalanan, tinanggap ni Jesus ang lahat ng hirap. Naway pukawin nito ang ating pagkapuot sa kasalanan, ang ating kaisipan na may tapat na pagmamahal sa makapangyarihan Diyos.